Let's talk about your strategy for 2023 and what types of plans can you come up with, all right? And let's just suppose in this example, you've been eyeing apartments for a while and you missed the boat, prices went up too high, you couldn't buy, whatever the case is. This time around, you're gonna have a second chance at it. And you're going to have a second chance at a lot of different commercial properties and different asset classes, right? Now, what are you going to do with it when an opportunity comes along? Because you will have opportunities come along this coming year. 2023, there's going to be a real big shakeup, and I've been talking about it for a while, and it's not really about getting anything but prepared for it. You really want to get prepared for what's ahead. And if your target was, I don't know, $2 million, and you had, let's say, 10% down, and you had a team around you, and you had everything set, well, maybe you'll get a better deal at $3 million, or maybe a $1 million deal comes along. So do you have the pieces in place? And I don't just mean the money, the funding. Do you have the pieces in place as far as management? Remember, management is the most important thing of these asset classes. It really is. And if you're looking at leasing, so suppose it's going to be a vacant a retail property. You have to remember, everything we've been hearing on the news and gurus talking about it, let's just say they're all right. They're all correct in their presumption. Everybody is anticipating interest rates going up, businesses closing. Let's just say all that is spot on. Well, if the rates go up so high, and let's say they go up to 10%, and let's say more and more businesses close, well, now you have these retail centers that are less than 80% occupied. And what's going to happen in that case? Are you going to take advantage of them? Are you going to try to find other tenants for these properties? How are you going to benefit from that? So negative news is one thing, but it's what are you going to do to counteract and stay ahead of it? And that's what we need to be planning for right now. One of the biggest things really is if you've been taking your foot off the gas because the holidays were around, maybe November and December wasn't really your thing, start planning that again. And when I say planning, I mean start looking in those markets you wanted to look. Maybe get the feelers out. Maybe call those realtors or those certain brokers in those certain parts of town, those lenders that were helping you. Just kind of start priming the pump a little bit, because right around April or May, you're going to have those opportunities again, and you really want to be ready for them. So the biggest takeaway from this is get ready for 2023. You should be very excited about it. A lot of opportunities coming your way. And just want you guys to be prepared. If you have any questions on anything, please let me know.